Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put a signature on Microsoft 365. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you will be needing to do is to either apply a signature on your uh, documents or on your mail. Depends on what app you really want. So for example, let's just go to the Outlook so we can start adding signatures to our mails. So from here, we go to Outlook. After that, we will be needing to go to settings. So from settings, you will be able to go to mail and basically we will need just to search for signatures and I think we are going to find it here in accounts. You go to signatures and from here you will need just to add a signature. So let's just have my signature, my signature. You can add image or do whatever you like, and then it will be added at the footer of each mail. And from here, you can name it whatever you'd like, and basically you can click on save. And by that, it will be start added to your mails whenever you are creating a new mail. Otherwise, if you want to start adding your signature on your documents, so it can be either your documents, Word or etc. You will need just to go to review, and from here, we will need just to search for signature, and basically after that, we will be able to start signing on our documents. So let's just search for the signature um, option. And now from the insert menu, so let's just go to insert menu and basically we will be able to find the signature line. So from here you can just add the signature service or just use the Microsoft service. And for example here you add your name, my name, and here you can add comments or whatever. You add the email address of the signer, which is you, and here you can add the title. Uh, and here I'm just going to click on OK, and basically it has been added here, and then you can edit it and add it to wherever you want on your documents. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.